This is Sharon B., Life by Sharon B. I know it's been a minute since my last drop. I just got back from vacation, so thank you all for being patient. Today we're talking about something that goes beyond paychecks, the hidden perks of AI jobs in 2025. If you've been thinking about jumping into tech, or just want to know where the future of work is headed, this is for you. Section 1. The perks behind AI jobs. AI jobs are known for higher pay, but what many people don't realize is the perks. They're also more likely to offer remote or hybrid setups, giving you better work-life balance and benefits that last beyond just the paycheck. Section 2. AI as a secret productivity booster. Here's something interesting. Nearly half of US workers say they're already using AI tools on the job, sometimes without their bosses even knowing. From writing reports to analyzing data, AI is quietly boosting productivity. That means even if your job title doesn't say AI, having these skills can make you stand out in any field. Section 3. Remote and hybrid work isn't going anywhere. Another advantage connected to AI-related roles is flexibility. Remote and hybrid work are here to stay, with most companies offering at least some kind of flexible option. And many employers are finding productivity is actually higher with remote setups. So if you're aiming to work from home or anywhere in the world, adding AI skills to your resume makes you more attractive to those companies. Section 4. Why this matters for you. So what does this mean for you? You don't have to become a developer. It can be as simple as learning how to use AI for data entry, customer service, marketing, or even side hustles. AI skills make you more competitive and open the door to roles that come with bigger benefits. Sponsor plug. Before we wrap, this video is sponsored by Black Girl Vitamins.
Everyone keeps asking, how did I get my glow back? It's the beauty bundle from Black Girl Vitamins made just for us. Packed with clean ingredients. It nourishes my hair, skin, and nails from the inside out. I can honestly say I can see the difference. If you're ready for beauty that starts within, tap in with Black Girl Vitamins today.
So that's the hidden side of AI jobs in 2025. Better pay, more flexibility, and lifestyle perks you might not expect. I'm excited to be back after my break, and I'll be dropping new videos every day again. Drop a comment on what AI tools you're already using, like, subscribe, and don't forget to like and hit the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's video.
So if you are looking for a work from home job but you don't have any work from home experience, you need to go run and apply to these companies, you guys, right now. Like, stop what you're doing and apply right now, because you're gonna have a job tomorrow. But before I share these jobs, make sure you follow me and save this video so you can go and apply later. And again, these companies will get you on either same day or in the same week. So if you are looking for some fast money, I suggest applying for them right now. And these companies are all in my link tree, you guys. So if you need the links, go to the link in my bio so you can apply. So the following companies are Concentrix, Conduent, Found Ever, CareCentrix, Teleperformance, Sagility, and VXI. So again, you guys, if you don't have any experience, looking for something real entry level, I suggest starting with all of those companies. They will get you right immediately. So stop playing. Make sure you start there before you're asking, where's the work from home jobs? Apply to all of those and all the positions that they have listed, because they usually have several different classes constantly hiring, and a couple of them are same day hire as well. You just have to pass the assessment. So yeah, you guys, link is up in my bio. If you need a resume, I do resume services. Feel free to DM me. All right, you guys.
This billion-dollar CEO revealed the hottest AI job in the world right now, and it is not prompt engineering. The job is AI automation engineer and involves automating key workflows using automation systems and AI agents. If you have that background, they'll hire you into any role. As a solopreneur, I definitely see the value of AI automation engineering separate from software engineering. The AI automation engineer can focus on automating things like customer support, streamlining marketing, streamlining sales outreach, finding leads. If you want to learn how to do this for free, check the link in my bio.
Hey guys, $15 per hour. Before even proceed with this, first of all, you must be having a login. So this one is the first step. Have a login. You can use any other, but login is the best according to my experience. So have a login account. Kuja hapa purchase account, purchase residential proxies. Get one residential proxy from login anti-detect browser. Kisha eka moja hapa. It's very easy to configure one. You just come here, get a new profile. After configuring everything there, so unakuja hapa, you create a new account, you get a new proxy. Click here, new proxy. Kuja hapa kwa proxy, ECA65 is the most recommended one. Then here you put your IP address. Here you put your port. If your proxy has a username, unaika hapa. If he has a password, unaika hapa. Then you click here for proxy detection. Then you come here for refresh fingerprints. Then you confirm. Very easy. Now after confirming everything, sasa unakuja kwa sites. Now you come to this one. Now before I even proceed very fast, let me go back. Now kazi ndizo hizi hapa. So if you are having DL and your DL is reading in, maybe is reading in Indiana, and you want to apply a job in Minnesota, so in your CV you change your address to Minnesota even if your DL is reading in Indiana. So change hapa kwa sababu unaweza kuwa ulipatiwa ID huko Indiana na ulihama, sasa hivi unaishi Minnesota for some quite good time. So unaandika huko hapa, but now your real address itakuwa wapi? Indiana. This one will be for mailing, this one for the current address. Sijui kama tunapatana, but unaweza amua wewe change location kwa your resume and when you are applying, because for a job like this inataka watu wako Minnesota, na maybe hauna hiyo idea ya Minnesota, maybe uko na idea any other state, let's say Washington DC, na hakuna kazi za Washington DC hapa. So unaweka hiyo Minnesota, because this job specifically it wants people from Minnesota. What if you put your address in your DL? Itakuwa imekutoa nje. Here you come, very easy, you attach your resume. It will detect your details here. Now I want to show you something, because here it is. You currently reside in United States, Minnesota. It is clearly indicated here, Minnesota. So ukiapply kwa address yako, eka iko Minnesota. Okay, it's very easy. Ukija hapa ku apply, ndio hii. This one is search quality rater. Kazi ni mingi huku, so wewe tengeneza DL kadhaa. Kama una DL, we DM namba iko kwa bio, kuja kwa DM. Kama assessment zimekushinda, assessment pia ni ngumu, unaona the pay here is $15 per hour. Are you willing to accept this rate? Yeah, kama utaki hii rate unaweza weka no, then you specify your rate. Additional information, here you can put your cover letter. Then here it is optional to complete this, so you can decide to complete or not complete, but complete, then you weke when veteran hauna any assistance. In that way they will consider you very fast. Okay, now this one is the same account hii yenye na create hapa na itengeneza hapa, same one. This is quality search rater. They gave me logins, so I'm just working on this account today. This new one, so I'm just uploading my resume here, and just clarifying on certain things here. So go and try this one, but msisahau hii kazi inataka ukuwe na namba ya simu. So phone number is a must here. DL is a must because they will ask your SSN, and because also they will need you to verify. So lazima uta verify shura yako. You must verify your face. So have a good DL, a scannable DL. If you need all that, kuja inbox, number on the bio, kuja nikupatie na some training kidogo ya kuweza kumaneuver the assessments. Yeah. Kazi si ngumu, but assessment ndio ngumu niliwaambia. Yeah, so I will put the link of the login on the comment section. Madam, download login for those who are trying to begin in this industry. First thing, set your proxy. Second thing, set your anti-detect. Third thing, have a number. Fourth thing, have a DL. Fifth thing, have a good resume. Sixth thing, know how to pass assessment. Seventh thing, they will train you how to do the tasks. And that's it. Yeah. So guys, follow for more. I will be updating. You can check my previous videos. I think I have a video on this. You can go back and check it again, and you'll get to know where we started.